Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Nazo ke ezinani nizibonela ke, it is officially uAmahle has been loboled by uMpumelelo Mseleko guys. Bayajoka abantu bathi yes makoti kaSibindi. It is official. uMpumelelo went and paid ilobola for uAmahle. As you can see with the outfit here, uAmahle showing ukubana hayi it has happened guys. Uyasho ke ugele ukuthi hayi yena indoda uyayihlonipha nampile uyibeka nje ayiphe nje leso sihlalo sayo as her man. Naye uMpumelelo uyasho ukubana athi into emenza ukuthi amthande kakhulu uAmahle ukuthi uyamhlonipha. Hey guys, indoda iyahlonitshwa ke. There you have it bantu abahle, there you have it. It is official. uAmahle has been paid ilobola, soon to be Mrs. Mseleko Jr. Asazi ke ukuthi she's going to be considered their first wife okanye uTirelo also will still remain their first, okanye uVuyokazi is the main first one. Niyambona ke ukuthi muhle Nkosi yami umakoti, niyambona ukuthi muhle yena muhle. Asifuna ukuba nomono ukuthi singasho ukubana hayi intombi inhle Nkosi yami. It has been made officially. Abantu nabo bayamhalalisela ke ukubana hayi siyakubongela makoti kaSibindi. Maybe this one will make uSibindi athi ukwehlisa kancane ngamaphaphu nangamawala, ngoba hey sizobona ke ngokuya kwesikhathi ukubana hayi uMabiyela ke yena isithembu simphethe kanjani. So the other day uTirelo mentioned ukubana uMpumelelo has never dated with a virgin. What does that mean? Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.